Hello viewers, in this video lecture I am going to speak to you about a type of comedy called Comedy of Humours. Within comedies we have a large number of subsections and Comedy of Humours is one among them. Comedy of Humours is based on the ancient physiological theory of the four humours. Here, humours are four fluids that were believed to be present in our bodies. The medical science of the ancient times, which was still relevant during the day of BenJonson, believed the fact that there existed four different fluids in every human body, and they thought that these four fluids had a regulatory function upon our bodies. The four fluids were blood, phlegm, choler, and melancholy. And BenJonson based some of his dramas on this particular theory. He made use of the medical idea to develop a type of drama called Comedy of Humours. In Comedies of Humours, these characters, rather than having all the four fluids in equilibrium, will have one or the other humor in excess, as a result of which the character will cease to be normal and would start acting in an eccentric manner. BenJonson's Everyman in his humour and Everyman out of his humour are noted examples. BenJonson was a wonderful playwright of his day, and all the other playwrights used to follow the trend set by BenJonson. That is why most of the followers of BenJonson were known as sons of Ben. That means BenJonson influenced the other playwrights so much so that they were all known as sons of Ben. And BenJonson's dramas like Everyman in his humour and Everyman out of his humour are noted examples for this type of genre. Not only so, after having written plays in the mold of Comedy of Humours, BenJonson even gives us an explanation regarding the theory of Comedy of Humours. In the Induction, he attached to his play Everyman in his humour. That is to say, when he wrote his play Everyman in his humour, he wrote a preface known as Induction, and in this Induction, BenJonson explains what he meant by Comedy of Humours. What are these humours? How they shape the inner and outer part of the human being and all. So this is just a basic 5-minute video regarding a type of comedy called Comedy of Humours. This is meant for the beginners, and in the future I am going to upload quite a number of other videos so as to be useful for those who are appearing for exams like UGC NET, sets conducted by different states, competitive exams like recruitment test for junior lecturers, degree college lecturers, assistant professors, and all these exams. And these are meant for the first timers or starters so that they can listen and grasp the gist of the topic. Thank you. Thank you for watching.